Where is he? Right there. There he is. Bright red. Yeah, buddy. He's bright red. Whoop. Where you going, buddy? Really? And I got these little chickies. Huh? Plenty for all. Hmm? Well, he got big compared to the other girl chickens. He really does. He's like twice the size of them. I didn't realize the males got so large. I mean, I know they got bigger, but I mean, look at that. He's huge. Still growing, I think. Hey, Rooroo. Hey, Rooroo. Purdy tail. These are just bland on him. Strutting his stuff. Doing his thing. Yeah, buddy. I'm weird right now. Down on the phone. What you doing, Blondie? Oh yeah. I don't know if I've said this in the other video or not, but I did lose that other one. She's gone somewhere. Off again. It was weird. She showed up the next day last time, and then now I haven't seen her for shit, how many days now? So I think she's a El Gano. Either coyotes could have got her because she wasn't in the pen when I closed it at night, or somebody just happened upon her, maybe started feeding her. I don't know. She could be anywhere out in them woods, and there's houses back behind them, so who knows? Who knows? Right, Rooroo? Yeah, buddy, you tell him. Strut your stuff. Strut it. He's a cranky little shit. He like pushes them around and stuff. Okay. You gonna do something crazy stupid or what? Oh, what you doing? Alright, peace and love, y'all. Hope you're having a great weekend. Start Friday here, so I hope start of the weekend anyway. Alright, peace and love. Where's he? Oh, there's he. Alright, y'all. Like I said, have a great weekend.